Alright, so welcome back. So today we're talking about a sales approach that is all about building trust and creating meaningful value for your customers. It's consultative selling techniques. Now, here's the thing. Consultative selling isn't about pushing a product or closing a deal at any cost. It's about becoming a trusted advisor. So someone who listens, understands, and guides customers toward the best solution for their unique challenges. It's really a process rooted in empathy and expertise. So in this lesson, I'll walk you through how to adopt the consultative selling approach. You will learn how to ask the right questions, build trust, and position yourself as a partner in your customer success. And as always, I'll include examples tailored to some industries. So let's start with the definition. What is consultative selling? Consultative selling is a customer-focused sales approach where the salesperson acts as an advisor rather than just a seller. Instead of leading with features and benefits, you lead with questions, insights, and solutions tailored to your customers' specific needs. So here's the key. It's not about selling, it's about helping. The mindset shift here is crucial. When you approach sales as an opportunity to solve problems and provide value, you build trust and long-term relationships. And trust is the currency of consultative selling. Let's now talk about 5 steps of consultative selling. Let's break this down into actionable steps. Consultative selling follows a 5-step process. First is ask great questions. Second is listen actively, diagnose the problem, provide a tailored solution, then collaborate and commit. Let's dive into step 1. So, the power of curiosity. So, the first step in consultative selling is asking the right questions. Questions help you uncover the customer pain points, goals, and decision-making process. Then, show genuine interest. Just feel the genuine interest in understanding their needs. Some examples in different industry. First, in real estate is what's most important to you in a new home. So, is it location, size, or something else? For insurance, what are your biggest concern about your current coverage? Furniture, what kind of vibe or theme do you want your office to have? Is it modern, slick, warm, and inviting? For B2B, what's the biggest challenge your team is facing with your current workflow? So great questions show your genuine interest in understanding the customer's needs, and they set the stage for a productive conversation. Step 2 is listen actively. So focus on what they are saying. Once you've asked a question, the next step is simple but often overlooked. So active listening means focusing fully on what the customer is saying without interrupting or jumping into conclusion. So here's a tip. Listen for emotions as well as words. Pay attention to what matters most to them and reflect it back to show you understand. Again, for example, in real estate, so it sounds like safety and a family-friendly neighborhood are top priorities. Is that right? So for insurance, it seemed like you're worried about overpaying for unnecessary coverage or about being overinsured in some areas and underinsured in others. Let's explore that further. For furniture, like I hear you saying you need furniture that balances comfort and durability. So try to repeat their question or statement. And then you say, let me show you some options. For B2B is, can you tell me more about how inefficiencies impact your daily operations? Can you tell more about your team's workflow or something like that? So active listening builds trust and helps you uncover the deeper motivations behind your customers' needs. Step 3 is diagnose the problem. Identify the root cause. Once you have gathered information, it's time to diagnose the problem. This is where your expertise shines. So your role here is to identify the root cause of the customer's challenges and frame the conversation around solving that issue. Again, for real estate, say your challenge is finding a safe, family-friendly home within budget. Let's focus our search there. For insurance, it's like you need a policy that protects your family without unnecessary costs. So let's analyze your current plan and identify the gaps. For furniture, understand you're looking for stylish, durable pieces within a startup-friendly budget and say that matches your brand as well. I can help with that. For B2B, like your inefficiencies stem from outdated processes. Then let's address that. Let me show you how we can streamline those workflows. So by diagnosing the problem, you establish yourself as someone who understands their needs better than anyone else. Step 4. So just provide a tailored solution. Now it's time to present your solution. But remember, this is not a generic pitch. This is where you position your product or service as the exact answer to their specific problem. Let them be the hero of the story and you as the guide or the expert to guide them to the success. Examples are in real estate is these listings match your criteria, great schools, safe neighborhood, and within your budget. So insurance, this customized policy offers complete protection without unnecessary cost. Furniture, this line combines style and durability while staying under budget. And then for B2B, our platform integrates with your tools to automate workflows and boost efficiency. These are generic examples for each industry, but it's important to be creative in what you offer. Again, pinpoint the emotions based on their pain points, and then from there, provide a tailored solution. Tailoring your solution shows you're not just selling a product, you're really solving their specific problem. So the final step is to collaborate with your customer to refine the solution and commit to the next steps. This is a partnership and not a transaction. Ensure clarity on the next steps. Again, for example, is for real estate, which of these listings should be scheduled for viewing? For insurance, does this coverage plan meet your needs? Let's finalize it. Work on finalizing it. For furniture, do this fit your vision? You can place the order today. And for B2B, does this solution align with your team's goals? Then let's schedule a demo or come up with specific customized software for you. So collaboration makes the customer feel empowered, and committing ensures you move the process forward. Alright, so let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. So as you practice consultative selling, be mindful of these pitfalls. Number one, again, is talking too much about yourself. Remember, this is about the customer, not you. The customer is the hero and you are the guide. Ask questions and listen more than you speak. Second is rushing the process. Building trust takes time. Don't skip steps to push for a quick close. Number three is focusing on features instead of benefits. So always tie your solution back to how it solves their specific problems. So to recap, to master the consultative selling process, first is, again, focus on helping and not selling. Then follow the 5 steps. Ask, listen, diagnose, tailor, and collaborate. And then finally, build trust by prioritizing customers' needs. The more you understand their needs, the better you can serve them. For action steps, and apply what you've learned, practice asking open-ended questions in your next sales call. Then actively listen and reflect back what you hear. Then use your expertise to diagnose prospects' problem and craft a tailored solution. Then collaborate with them to refine or optimize it. So when you adopt the consultative selling approach, you're not just closing deals, you're building trust, solving problems, and creating long-term relationships. So thank you for joining me in this lesson. In our next session, we'll explore more on closing techniques, overcoming objections, and negotiating with confidence. Until then, practice your consultative selling skills. And remember, the best salespeople don't sell, they serve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.